rejection hurts. Whether it's the woman you liked saying no, or a date that never turns into something more, rejection can feel like a punch in the gut. But here's the truth. Every man will face rejection at some point, even the most confident, attractive, and successful ones. The difference is not whether you get rejected, but how you respond afterward. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to handle rejection like a man, maintain your dignity, and even grow stronger from the experience. When she says no, the very first thing you do sets the tone for everything else. The best response is short, calm, and respectful. A simple line like, "No worries, I appreciate your honesty. Take care," works wonders. Why? Because it shows maturity and emotional control. You're not begging, not angry, not defensive. Instead, you're demonstrating high self-worth. Women, and people in general, respect men who can handle rejection without drama. One of the biggest mistakes men make after being rejected is trying to convince her to change her mind. Don't do it. Respect her decision and avoid constant texting, checking up, or sending long emotional messages. At most, if you happen to cross paths again, keep it casual and polite. This shows that you're not desperate and that her rejection doesn't define you. Remember, nothing kills attraction faster than neediness. Rejection feels painful because your brain interprets it almost like physical pain. Studies show that the same part of the brain that processes physical pain also lights up when you experience social rejection. That's why it feels so heavy. But here's the good news. Rejection is rarely about your entire identity. Most of the time, it's about timing, compatibility, or personal preferences. Remind yourself, one woman's no does not mean you're not good enough. It simply means you're not the right fit for her. Instead of trying to suppress your feelings, acknowledge them. It's normal to feel disappointed. Journaling, working out, or talking with a trusted friend can help you process emotions in a healthy way. Another powerful tool is reframing. Instead of thinking, "I lost something," try, "This experience taught me more about myself and what I want." Shifting perspective turns rejection into a stepping stone for growth, not a dead end. This is the stage most men skip, but it's one of the most powerful. After rejection, instead of isolating yourself, lean into your social and personal growth. Spend more time with friends, pick up a new hobby, or focus on your fitness and grooming. Building a fuller life makes you more attractive in the long run, not just to women, but to everyone around you. When your self-worth is built on more than just one person's approval, rejection loses its power. One no doesn't define your future. Think about it. Some of the most successful men in history faced countless rejections in business, relationships, and life before they found success. Each rejection is like a mental gym session, training your resilience. Over time, you'll learn that rejection isn't something to fear, but something that shapes your strength. The more you face it, the easier it becomes to move forward without losing confidence. Rejection is never fun, but it doesn't have to break you. If you respond with maturity, avoid chasing, understand the psychology, process your emotions, invest in self-growth, and keep perspective, you'll come out stronger every single time. Remember, women respect men who respect themselves, even in moments of failure. So the next time rejection knocks on your door, don't see it as the end. See it as an opportunity to reset, rebuild, and rise higher. That's the complete step-by-step guide to handling rejection like a man. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more psychological and self-improvement tips for men, and let me know in the comments how you have handled rejection in the past.